Okay, everybody, welcome back. It's Big Al. I got a challenge lock by Daz Evers. This is number 52, and this is take way too many. Yeah, I've been going at this lock, man. It is a hoot. I have got it open actually on camera, but I got into I think the pick alone took like 18 minutes or something, and then you include the gutting. It was a ridiculously long video, so I scrapped it, and I'm just going to go at it again, see if I can't get a better time, because I didn't want to post no 28 or 30-minute video. It's just a bit too much. It is a Everest, so I'm going to slide this dude in the bottom here, hopefully kick up that pin that's down there, and start the timer, I guess. Let's get at it. Without further ado, yeah, it's I'll tell you what, man, this thing is a hoot. Man, it's a beast. Why is that not fitting right? We'll see, I guess. Okay, let's get into it. Springy, springy, springy. Okay, we got about, I think, 4. A little click. Might have been 3. Let me see. 1. Yeah, that was probably 3. 4. Got a little bit. I'm using, by the way, I'm using this southward pick too, because this lock plays rough. It's kind of the opposite of the one I did a Slag Everest that Bill Bacardi made in it. I found in that one I had to go really easy on it, but this one's not. This one likes it rough. Yeah. Feels like I set 4. It's real easy to overset too. Okay, I got a slight turn, I think, off of, I think that was 2 maybe. Feels like 1 might have set. I'm always afraid of those pins. Like, I'd hate to find out I had a lock picked and it was just that silly little pin holding me back. That would be a bummer. Alright, I think I'm going for pin 2, maybe. Let me feel around first before I commit to that. Whoa, that was an overset. I felt it, let it fall. Okay, feel like I got it back. I don't know if that was good. Feels like 5 set, maybe. Could have been an overset. It's so hard to tell on this thing. We at 4 minutes. I hate using a timer too, but I have to on this one because it'd be real easy for me to sit here and try this thing for 20 minutes, and that's no joke. It's a tough cookie, man. Tough cookie. Whoa. Yeah, I think I'm oversetting something. It's just hard to tell what. That was. Got it back though. You have to go rough on it, but when you do, the pen will just jump and overset you real quick like. Let me try, just for the heck of it, let me try this gem. I got a little bit more. Not feeling too promising tonight. May have to go ahead and pass on it till tomorrow. Another day, another lock, right? Funny thing is I've had locks like that where one day I'll be stabbing it and it won't do nothing, like where you're getting nowhere, kind of like I am on this one, and then the following day or another day I pick it up and it just falls open. I've had locks like that. Well, I guess it's maybe just not the lock, maybe it's just your day, or it's not your day. Yeah, it's not feeling too promising, I gotta tell you. I'm not feeling too good about it this time. No, not feeling it. Not feeling it. Man, oh man, I'll tell you what. Just give it to me. Just give me one time. Oof. That felt like an overset on one. Yeah. Let it drop. There we go. Well, I've got a little, I hate to call that a false set, but I do got a little bit of a turn. Overset again, I think. I'll be damned. Feel like I got it back though. I lost it again. Lost that. Oh, there it goes. Got it back. Okay. Didn't play like that, is it? What time we at? Oh yeah, 11.5 minutes. Not gonna be my night. Oh well. It is a lock worthy of another try. Oh, overset. Damn it. Well, got a little bit more of a false set, but we're into some heavy time now. So it's either going to have to open pretty quick, or I'm going to have to just pass on it for tonight. Go and put a movie on and try to forget about it, so I can sleep tonight. This thing's going to haunt me. Oh man, overset big time. Let it drop. Yep. Yeah, I'm not feeling it, man. Let me hit it one more time with the gem, and if I can't get it, we'll call it. Well, I guess you won't know because you won't see this. Shoot. I've got a false set. It's got to be just something funky holding me back. A little bit more, maybe. I don't know. Alright, bada boom, bada bang. Where are we at? 14 minutes. Oh my goodness gracious. I'll tell you what though, if it opens right now, I'm going to keep the video. Because I really don't know if I'm going to get a shorter one. The last one was 18 though. Overset. Got it back. Golly. Where are you, you booger? Not there. Well, and yet a little deeper. Are you kidding me? There we go. That's the sucker's open right there. What are we at? 16 minutes. You know what? Let's do this. It's open. It was stuck on the vise. That's open. We're going to go ahead and try to keep this. Let's see if I can get it gutted in a decent amount of time. Oh boy. We got some kind of, this one maybe? Maybe not. This one. Okay. Boy, that'll jack somebody's world up. Allen screw. Okay. Yeah, that's something. Okay, let's oh shoot. There was an Allen screw on the back of that thing. That'll rock somebody's world. Okay. Oh shoot, I rotated it. There we go. Okay. We do got a key. It's mummified. I guess we don't need to jack with that if I can get it open without it. I don't see why. Why not? Okay. Okay, this thing's a mess. That ain't gonna happen. Alright, we've got a major problem here. Oh, shoot. I hate that. We got, okay, that pin in the bottom for the, what do you call that? That Everest pin spring. Okay, let's get these laid out because I know we're getting into some time. I'm going to go ahead and keep this longer video. I don't know how long it's going to be, but I know it's going to be a long one. Alright, I'm going to get them all laid out and we'll take a look at them. On the core we've got threading in 1, 2, 3, 4 is standard, 5 and 6 are undercut on the core. Alright, going up top, back here for the camera. Wow, yep, very, what is it, a 2? No, just a very serrated with sharp pieces on it. Little steel spring it looks like. Number 2 is a serrated. A little copper spring, I think that one is. 3, a very sharply serrated. Little steel spring in that one. 4, another serrated, really sharp serrated. Whoa. And a copper spring, kind of jammed up in there. Oh, I popped one of those around. My bad. Oh man, one of these too. Shit, I'm gonna have to undo the key, I think, because I'm gonna have to check them pins. Shoot. Alright, and number 5, very serrated, sharp, and a copper spring. And 6, very sharply serrated, and number 6. Trying to see if any of those, let me see, on the core, or the Bible rather. No mods to the Bible. I'm trying to make sure any of these ain't 2 pieces. Doesn't look like it. They're just serrated and like T-pins. Okay, hopefully I can keep this video. Here we go. Again, that was Daz Evers number 52, y'all. Take a look at some pins here. We've got a, whoops, it's upside down there. That's alright. Serrated key pin in number 1. Same in number 2, and I think that top's reduced. 3, very serrated with a super sharp top on it. 4, serrated. 5, and again it's like a reduced, serrated and reduced on the top. 6 looks standard. The top pins or drivers, very serrated, spooly looking, maybe serrated spool on that one, whatever you want to call that. This one here, double serrated, super sharp. They look like razor blades actually from here. 3, kind of like a spool, and then a T-pin action on the end of it here. 4, serration. 5, very serrated, sharp edges. And then 6, again, another, I guess, wide serration with a very sharp end on it. And the springs obviously do vary. Got a steel, I think, here, and this one looks like one of them out of a lighter or something, and then obviously it's steel, but it's really stiff, it looks like. And then some copper springs. Very tough lock by Daz Evers. Thank y'all so much. Big Al signing off.